Bristol Map Scanner runs on regular iPhones and Android phones as well as on the C72 handheld. On a phone, you don't have an RFID antenna, but you can still scan freight using the QR code on the printed shipping label. In this video, we'll walk through the QR camera flow and the two toggles that change how it behaves. On a phone, the toolbar at the top of the Scan tab has a QR button sitting next to the recipient and tender chips. That button only appears on devices without an RFID handle. If you ever switch to a C72, this button is hidden because the hardware trigger takes its place. Tap the QR button. A camera pop-up opens up and the rear camera starts streaming a live preview, ready to pick up a QR code. Hold a freight label in the frame and the app reads the QR code the moment it comes into focus. No manual capture step. By default, the pop-up closes immediately after the first read, so you can confirm what was scanned, but you can change that with the toggles underneath. Continuous scan keeps the pop-up open after each read so you can work through a stack of labels without reopening the camera every time. The same QR code won't fire twice in a single session, so you don't have to worry about a slow hand causing a duplicate. Open on Mode Select is the second toggle. When it's on, the QR pop-up opens automatically whenever you change scan modes from the mode picker. Handy if you've built a phone workflow that switches between, say, Quick Receive and Send to Tender. You don't have to remember to tap QR after every mode change. Both toggles are persisted to device settings, so the pop-up comes back configured the way you left it the next time you open it. Tap Close to dismiss the pop-up when you're done. The Scan tab shows the freight you just read at the bottom of the list, ready for review or further action. The important thing to remember is that the QR scan and the RFID scan are interchangeable as far as the rest of the app is concerned. Whatever scan mode you've picked decides what happens next. Manage and Transfer will pop up the freight detail. Quick Receive will silently assign and store. Send to Tender will apply your configured destination. The camera is just the input device. That's the QR camera flow for phones. In the next video, we'll build a custom scan mode from scratch so you can wire up a one-tap workflow that's specific to how your operation runs.